Good morning, student. In our last period, we saw some part of our lesson Alchemy of Nature. I told you the meaning of alchemy. Alchemy means the process of changing things. Means nature has the capacity of changing things, turning things. Here, in the first period, we have learned that the writer gave us some examples of the nature, means how nature is able to change things according to his orders, according to his commands. Nature soothes us, nature nurtures us, nature fulfills and motivates us, and nature also whispers and commands us. But here the writer asks us, are you listening? Means, do we able to hear which nature is telling us, which nature is commanding us? But when the writer speaks with the nature, or the nature speaks with writer, it leaves her in complete awe. She gave a beautiful example of hibiscus plant, which life is so small. The hibiscus plant has just one day life, but it spent its life full of splendor. It spent its life full of joy. It enjoyed the one day life to its fullest. Then the writer asks us, if the hibiscus plant is able to enjoy its one day life, then why we are not able to spend or to enjoy our life as the hibiscus plant? Then the writer gave second example of a rocky beach, where the rocks change its shape according to the water. We know the water is very gentle and the rocks are so hard. But when the water flows every day, year after year, every day on the hard rock, on the heavy rocks, due to this, the gentle water became able to change the shape of the rock according to its command. Means, through these examples, the writer wants to tell us that if the problems of our life are so huge, the problems of our life are so hard, if we persist, if we continue to solve them, to overcome them, then we will be successful in our life, just like the gentle water. Now, we are going to learn the next part of our lesson. Here the writer gave us the example. We saw small bits of grass peeping through the small cracks in a concrete pavement. Many times we saw small bits of grass. That bits of grass peeping through the small cracks in a concrete pavement. We saw many times some cracks in the concrete pavement, and in that concrete pavement we saw some grass peeping through it, means it's growing through it. If it left us thinking however impossible things may look, there is always an opening. It is not possible for any plant to live in a concrete pavement, to live in a cracks of a concrete pavement. But this grass peeping through the small cracks in a concrete pavement teaches us, it gives us the lesson that however impossible things may look, it is very impossible to live in a concrete pavement, to live in a small concrete pavement, but the grass make it possible. Through this, the class teach us, however impossible things may look, there is always an opening. If we have determination, if we have courage, then everything will be possible for us. The impossible things will also be possible for us if we have courage, we have determination, and we are ready to make efforts for it. We saw a tree bare of all leaves in the cold winter season, in the cold winter month. Then the writer gave us another example of the leaves of a tree. The leaves of a tree. Here the writer told us that the tree bare of all leaves. Many times we saw trees bare of all leaves. And in which season we saw this? We saw this in the cold winter months. In the cold winter months, the trees bare of all leaves. We thought its chapter was over. On seeing this, that the tree is bare of leaves, we thought that the chapter of this tree is over. Here the meaning is given, chapter was over means dead, means the tree is dead. There will be no leaves on the trees once again. We thought like this. But 3 months passed. Spring set in, and the tree was back to its green majesty once again. But after some times, means after 3 months, when the 3 months passed, spring set in. The new season, spring season occurs. The new season, spring set in, and the tree was back to its green majesty once again. And the tree which we saw before 3 months bare of leaves, it once again starts green majesty. It once again starts getting its leaves back. Small green leaves starts to on the tree. And in this way, means after 3 months, the tree was back to its green majesty, full of leaves, flowers, birds, and life. And then the tree became full of leaves. The tree became full of leaves. There was flowers, fruits, and also birds starts to make their nest on the tree. And in this way, after 3 months, the tree became green once again. What if we too had the conviction that however difficult things are right now? Here the meaning of conviction is given strong, firm belief. Through this example, the writer wants to tell us that like this tree, our life also has convictions, means our life also has strong belief. Our life also has firm belief that however difficult things are right now, the writer told us that now our life is full of difficulty. Now our life is full of difficulties, but if we have conviction, means if we have strong belief, we have self-confidence, we have belief on ourselves, then if we have this conviction, it will not remain so forever. If we have the conviction, if we have the strong belief, the problems or the difficulties which are in our life now this time we are facing so many difficulties, but if we have conviction, we think that this remains, these things, means these difficulties, these problems will not remain so forever. Just like the tree, the tree has bare leaves. Tree became bare leaves in the winter season, but as the spring set in, But after 3 months, as the spring set in, the leaves get its the tree get its leaves back again. The leaves also the tree once again became green, full of fruits, flowers, and birds too. Just like that, our life has difficulty at this moment, but if we have conviction, after some time these problems will not remain in our life. Remember, these too shall pass. Means, if we have conviction, then these hard times, these difficult times also pass after some days. We will learn the remaining part of our lesson in the next period. Now for you the homework is complete questions in-text questions given on page number 39. Complete in-text question given on page number 39.